Good morning or günaydin. I'm here in Istanbul, Turkey, and I will explore Princess Island today. First of all, I have to get there, but I'm eating some simit first. To avoid the crazy Istanbul traffic, I took the metro in the beginning, and now I will take a ferry. It brings you from, I'm here in Beşiktaş now, it's a quite central area. It will bring you via the Bosphorus to the Princess Islands. And today I will go to Büyükada. It means big island in Turkish. It's obviously the biggest island of the Princess Islands. And yeah, quite excited to explore it. The ferry ride to the island is around 10 lira, I think that's less than $2.50. I don't know the exact currency exchange, but it's less than $2, I think, even right now. So I made it to the boat. It's a 50 minutes ride, and actually the weather is perfect. It was pretty cold the last days, but today çok güzel. You know what you have to do if you think the boat is too slow? You just take over the boat and be your own captain. Now it's going pretty fast. I don't know if you can hear me here because the engine is super loud, but one of the best things about taking a boat in Istanbul is you're just on the Bosphorus and you can see so many of the sights of the city. For example, now in like 20 minutes I saw some of the most famous sights like the Galata Tower. I will see the Maidens Tower in some minutes, I think. And so many of the famous mosques. It's just so beautiful. If you're in Istanbul, you definitely have to take a boat. Another great thing on this ferry is you can order different kinds of drinks and food. For example, I have a Turkish tea here, chai. It's pretty delicious and pretty cool that you can order it on the boat. So, and I've made it to Büyükada, which means big island when you translate it from Turkish. My first plan is to have Turkish breakfast, which is super delicious, and then explore the island a bit. The island is actually an attraction for tourists, but also locals live here, so it's a good mix. So that was super tasty, and now it's time to explore the island. If you're in Turkey, I definitely recommend trying out the Turkish breakfast. It's huge, you have different kinds of food, and it's just super yummy. So once you make it to the island, you have 3 options to get around. There are horse carriages. I wouldn't recommend them at all because usually the horses are treated not very well. The second option is walking around, which is also not the best idea because the island is huge. So I rented a bicycle, as you can see. It's around $5 for a whole day and pretty easy to get around because there are no cars on the island. So it's perfect.
Do you want to dance?
So guys, while I'm cycling up the hills, I have to admit it's freaking steep, and I'm kind of struggling with this bicycle because it's not the best one, not so many gears, but it works somehow. last part up to the hill is actually too steep and with cobblestone, I think that's how you call it. So you have to go like this. So eventually I made it on the top of the hill. In the back there somewhere is a Greek Orthodox church, but the true highlight is the views on the other side. You can see here it's the Anatolian side of Istanbul. It looks so beautiful, you don't really see it on the camera. It's incredible. Look, he's afraid. Hello, buddy.
Go get it, go get it.
So apparently you can't film inside the church, but it's pretty beautiful inside. Not big, nothing like that huge or special, but quite nice. And believe me, the view up here is really amazing. It was worth getting up here. So it happened for the first time in my life. I crashed the drone into a tree. Fortunately, we could get it back with some help. It's still working, but not good. At least I was able to capture some beautiful sceneries before I crashed, so thanks to that. I was actually, not I, but the drone was attacked by some birds, so I got nervous and tried to escape, and then it happened. Shit happens, I have insurance, so it's okay. It's not necessary. But now it's time to get down again. This road, really steep, I will see how it goes. Time for some ice cream. And it's already time to leave the big island of the Princess Island. So while I'm waiting that the ferry leaves back to the city of Istanbul, I'll just quickly tell you how I liked it. This was actually really nice here, really beautiful. It's just 1 hour from Istanbul, but still so beautiful here, so remote actually. But in the background you can see the huge city. It's a pretty massive contrast, like pure nature and there a huge city with over 60 million people. So that's really crazy. I definitely recommend going to the top because the views from there are really beautiful. And in general, just if you're in Istanbul, it's worth to come here if you have an extra day. Hey guys, I will end the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions about Istanbul or the Princess Islands, just comment below and I will try to answer them if I can, of course. I'm not an expert here. And if you like my content, I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and support me on my journey. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day. Oh, I'm back, I forgot something. If you have any recommendations where I should travel or where I should go, or any tips, or what you would like to see in my videos in the future, also let me know in the comments. I would really appreciate it, because if I know what you would like to see, I can do more content like this. See ya!